Saved my life. She walks through St. Ambrose door. Back when we were young.
Let's put you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna duct tape a cord to my bass drum.
Check.
Make it sound like a metal bass drum. It's gonna go click, 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 click. You know what they should do? Really? You know what they should do? They should each take the other drumsticks, all the click, click, click guys, and just jam up each other's asses. Way more useful. Way more useful. Save at least 50 cents. Because these guys are having double bass pedals. That's 2 quarters. 2 quarters for 2 bass drums.
I couldn't sleep the whole town dead. Go out at night, get high with friends. And I won't hear a word you say. Close your eyes, I'll make amends.
How you feeling, Kurt? Feeling pretty good?
Pretty good. Pretty good.
Yeah. Want to do it one more time? Let's do it. We can do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. You took a lot out of me.
You took a lot out of me. I really want it back. You took a lot out of me. You took a